So, well, welcome back to another video. This is a small update video of what I'm up to lately and what I'm planning for this season. Yeah, there were a lot of changes at the start of the season, of course. New bike, Desert X. Bought a Suzuki GSXR. Also quit my job about 2 weeks ago and I went independent, so that means I'm an independent contractor right now. So that means that I hopefully have some spare time to make more videos for you and for myself, of course, because yeah, I really like it to make videos. Even if it doesn't earn any money, it's still nice to do. And I'm still working towards my goal being yeah, how do you say that? Being able to live off the income of making YouTube videos. So well, I hope I'm still, you can still hear me. Yeah, so what things are coming and what I'm doing right now. So this bike is changing a lot. So as you've seen, I do the sticker set, I added some protection, luggage, also a new exhaust, and I'm uploading a video next week or maybe even this week, I'm not sure, but you will notice it on the channel. Maybe it's even before this video, it could be. I've bought an HP course full system. Yeah, and I made a video about the sound comparison to if you compare it to the original exhaust and the exhaust with a Ducati and that sort of stuff. So yeah, that's coming. I'm also the owner of two new windscreens. So this is one of them. There's also a video about the new windscreen coming, and I'm also going to do a comparison between every windscreen I've got. There is also one on its way that's a little smaller windscreen, and it's the smallest one, and I'm also doing a review about that. So that's that. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of off-road rides lately, and I've been practicing, and I'm still not good at it, but I'm still learning. And yeah, I wanted to do a review about well, what this bike is like as a novice off-road rider. A lot of people are saying, yeah, okay, yeah, this bike is really it's too heavy, you need to buy a lighter bike and that sort of stuff. But yeah, I also have a GSA, and the GSA is much heavier than this one, and it works fine. I think it's all dependent on the rider, I think. So yeah, that's the video that's coming. I'm making a lot of videos lately, but I don't have the time to finish them and upload them, so there will be a whole backlog of new videos. Next week I'm going to get a new Royal Enfield bike from a nearby dealer. I will talk about that later, but I will get it for around 2 days, I think, and I'm going to make a review about it. And yeah, I'm really excited for that, and I hope that the week after that or the week after that I will get a chance to review the new Moto Guzzi 300 Mandello, because there's a thing, I really don't want to ride that bike, because I need to repeat, I don't want to ride a bike because I'm a bit scared. Not scared of the power, not scared of the bike itself, but I'm a bit scared that I want that bike. I really love Moto Guzzi. It's my favorite brand. I also love my Ducati, of course. I love all Italian things: pasta, pizza, wine. compare everything, the country. But I really love the Moto Guzzi, and I'm a bit scared that I'm going to buy the bike because I like it so much. Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see if that happens. But I'm going to review it. I'm going to get it a day or two maybe also from a nearby dealer, and I'm going to take my time to review that bike. So that's the two main videos coming. I'm also going to do a review about the new Suzuki 8 V-Strom 800 the DA or DE or something like that, the adventure model. And yeah, I'm really excited about that bike because it's the first V-Strom which is not a V-Strom. It has a 2-cylinder line engine, and yeah, it should be pretty good. And it's the first V-Strom that is designed to be a more off-road bike. So yeah, that's also really exciting to do. But that video is also coming in, I hope in June. I'm also doing some small trips with this bike or with my Griso. I'm also going to do some extra training. So in 2 weeks we have a new dirt track day at Action Planet, and yeah, I'm really excited about that because I'm going to get new tires. But it's not a thing that I will tell you about a bit later. But yeah, as I said, I'm going to do training because it was my birthday a couple of weeks ago, and I've got a 3-day training that consists of 3 parts. 1 a trial training, 2 motocross training, and 3 an all-road training. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, because of that and because of the upcoming dirt track day at Action Planet in 2 weeks, I've bought some new tires. The standard tires of this bike are good. I think they're really good on simple off-road conditions, a little bit gravel, dry mud and that sort of stuff. Sand, but not the Sahara sand or something like that, but more the other sand. And they're really good on the road also, but I've always wanted to have more aggressive tires. Now, I've did a lot of research, and I was tempted to buy the K60 Ranger from Heidenau and the Mitas E07 Plus because yeah, the price is pretty low. But after doing a lot of research, I found the Motas Tractionator Adventure, and it should be a much better tire than this one, of course, and it's an 80-20 tire or 70-30, I don't know. And it should last a long time. It should last around 10 k's of kilometers, so that's pretty long. And there was always one thing that kept me from buying full adventure tires, and that's yeah, and if I want to go to the first trail, I need to ride for about an hour or so, and yeah, it could be too long because the tires will wear really fast, and I can use them for about 2 months or so. That's not I don't like that. And most off-road tires are really bad in the wet, and I'm also riding in wet conditions, so I need the better tires. So that's why I bought the Motas, and I'm going to do an installation video. I'm going to do a review, a 10,000 kilometer review, and then I'm going to do maybe a 5,000 kilometer review. I'm not sure, but 3 videos of the Motas are coming. So so that's coming. there's also coming. It sounds really weird, but on its way there is also a lot of extra protection in the form of, these are my friends where I will get my Royal Enfield, or not my, theirs. Oh yeah, there's a lot of extra protection coming. So Iconic Parts, small company in England, Britain, with a really nice guy, Jamie, that he makes almost everything, or he makes everything in-house, so it's no China export or something like that. And he makes a lot of parts for the Desert X, and he also makes Epidemic style radiator guards, and I really excited about that one because they look the part, they look really awesome. And when I'm riding in a lot of mud at, let's say, Exoplanet or something, I want to protect the radiator from overheating. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. And what else is new? I still didn't install the LED lights, the fog lights from Hepco and Becker, because I can attach it to my battery, or could attach it to something that is switched off together with the ignition. But I really want to use this button. I really need to pay attention, but I really want to use this button, and it's possible, but you need an adapter or something, and I'm still waiting for a guy who's making them for the Desert X, and that means that I can install the LEDs kind of plug and play. So yeah, it's exciting. I also received the Hepco and Becker skid plate. So not I'm still using the AXP one. You can see it right there. Really good. I really love it. But there's one thing I don't like, and that's I needed to adapt it a lot for the Hepco and Becker crash bars. And I know Xavier from AXP is working on it, but in the meantime I want to have a good looking bike, and that means that I need a good looking skid plate, and that's why the Hepco and Becker skid plate is coming my way. So yeah, pretty exciting is that. That's pretty exciting. And what else is happening? Yeah, I think that's it. One little update. Oh, I hate these things, but one little update. I've decided to sell the GSX-R together with my brother. I've bought the GSX-R a couple of months ago to fix her up, to make her a beautiful bike again. But I've decided together with my brother to sell it because he bought a new bike. So he bought a budget-friendly ADV bike, and we're going to make a lot of videos about it, and going to compare it to the Ducati Desert X, and we're going to give a lot of information what the reason is why you should buy it. And yeah, so stay tuned for those new videos. This is a really weird way to go to the place that I need to go. Is he now waving to me, or is he waving to someone else? I'm not sure. But yeah, that's an update I forgot to say. Back to the video. I think that's all the things that are going to happen. So this is not a normal video like I'm used to do, that you guys are used to seeing. Seeing me in the garage talking, really relaxed. Now I'm riding. I'm doing kind of moto vlogging. Just a tryout, but yeah, I've limited the time and I still wanted to do an update. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.